Okay, Ryan Hughes.
Yes. Don't wear all day.
Do a little breath real quick. 5, 4, 3, 2. We're here today at the Self-Directed IRA Summit, brought to you by Directed IRA, here with Ryan Hughes.
Thank you.
Ryan, we've met at a few different conferences. Maybe if you could just introduce yourself for the viewers that don't know you.
So Ryan Hughes, as he mentioned, so I'm with been in this space for about 6 years. So in the self-directed space, working for banks, different institutions, lending. Have my own company, non-recourse loans. So shout out for that.
Absolutely.
So if you're not trying to buy a house inside of a retirement, it has to be non-recourse. So that's what we do, and love. Any questions? Let me know.
Yeah, no. What kind of sets you guys apart? What's the edge that you guys provide out in the market? Maybe for someone that's exploring these types of options. What would you have to say about that?
I mean, the big thing is we are a direct lender, so we're not brokering it. So number one, it's our money, so we can actually close it, close quick. So there's not, and I built the guidelines, so it's not like I'm changing the guidelines at the last minute, or every month there's a new guideline coming out. So
Absolutely.
That's number one. But most importantly, there's not many lenders that do this. So non-recourse, there's no personal liability. So that's, to me, is that's what sets us apart from a traditional lender. And a lot of people, they don't realize that they go to a lender, they go to a bank, they try to close on the house, and then they realize, oh my gosh, there's a carve out on this as personal. You're personally liable, and now you can't do it because it's inside of an IRA. Absolutely. So that's the biggest part, that from a different lender. So
yeah, that's great to hear. It's important to get out and explore the options out available in the market, because you may be able to convert on a transaction that you weren't originally able to do so. Really, the only way you would know to do that is to get out and explore different events and associations.
Sure.
And things of that nature. We happen to see each other at the Alt Summit.
Yes.
In Scottsdale, Arizona. Are there any other events that you're attending worthy of conversation? We're here today in Austin, Texas.
Yeah, love Texas. I'm a homegrown here, so out in Dallas. But no, there's a note conference coming up that's, I think, fantastic. I think for me, it's not just about investing in real estate, but alternative assets. Whether it's you're doing self-storage, you're doing crypto. Absolutely. I think you want to diversify. I still have stuff in the stock market. I have crypto. But I also invest in, do private notes, with so this one I'm going out to is an actual note conference in Nashville.
Be Diversified Mortgage Expo?
It is, yeah.
We'll see you over there.
Oh, perfect, yeah. So I'll be there as well. So I'm speaking on one of their panels.
Okay, good to hear. Yeah, it's a good room, warm room at the end of the day. Those events are important. Why? Because people do business with the people they know, like, and trust.
Yes.
And to establish those relationships really pay in spades at the end of the day. So Ryan, if someone wanted to contact you for the services, maybe pull your ear about an idea, or about the associations, or talk to you about the panel that you're speaking on here at DME in the next couple of weeks, how would they reach out to you today?
So the best way is to go to our website. So it's just non-recourseloan.com. That's the best way. I mean, of course, I would just say go there, and you can contact us on our page. And highly recommend checking out the Note Expo. It's gonna be great. And we're speaking about non-performing loans, so it's gonna be a pretty great panel. There's someone from Fannie Mae is gonna be on. So there's gonna be a lot of some very strategic, Provident loan servicer. They're gonna be on there as well.
Okay.
So I think it's gonna be a great panel. Talking about the current market and what we're seeing, trends and what's going on.
Get some data, getting some availability. They provide you some confidence to go out and do the strategies that you're doing. That's really important. Well, hey, Alden Guajardo here today with Mobile Mailbox Money, Silvercrest Opportunity Fund. We're actually wrapping up the Self-Directed IRA Summit here.
It's been great.
Austin, Texas. Ryan, appreciate having you on the channel.
Appreciate it. Thank you.
Bam.
Thank you. I love it.
Perfect. Going great.
All right, that was awesome. Yeah.
Always go that great.
No, really, I was like, oh.